Want to send emails from your app or website using your Zoho Mail account? Here's how to enable SMTP in Zoho Mail. First, sign into your Zoho Mail account and click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. In the Settings panel, open Mail Accounts and select the email address you want to use for sending emails. Inside the account settings, find the SMTP or outgoing server section and make sure SMTP access is enabled. After enabling it, you can use Zoho's SMTP details in your website or application. The SMTP server is smtp.zoho.com. The port is 465 for SSL or 587 for TLS, and your username is your full Zoho Mail address. Enter your Zoho Mail password as the SMTP password, or if two-factor authentication is enabled, create an app password from Settings, then Security, then App Passwords, and use that instead. That's it. SMTP in Zoho Mail is now enabled and ready to use.